Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Flutter Coding 101. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deploy your Flutter web application using GitHub Pages. In one of my previous videos, I have covered how you can deploy your web application on Netlify. I'll link that in the description, you can check it out. So let's quickly get started, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is in your GitHub, you need to create a new repository. Now over here, the repository name should have a particular naming format. So the format is basically you use your username and .github.io, okay, and the username should be the same as the name of the owner. So here I'm going to name it Manju Sharma 27 .github.io. Okay, this will be linked to my portfolio since my web app is a portfolio. Okay, and now I have created the repository. I made it private, but I have changed it to public. So here you can see that my repository is public. Next, what you need to do is you need to run the command flutter build web. Since I've already built this once, it already has a web file, but if you're doing it for the first time, this whole build folder will be created for the first time, and inside that you can find this web folder. It will have files such as flutter.js, main.dart.js. So these are the files we'll be pushing to the repository now. Okay, so now it's building. Will take a couple of seconds. The next thing that I'll be doing is I'll be only pushing my build web folder inside the repository, okay, because it takes time to build the page. So I'm going to move to my build folder. After this, I'll be moving to my web folder. Now, since I'm in my web folder, I'll be initializing my repository. So git init. Once I've initialized, I'll do git add dot. All right, now git okay. Now I'll be moving to my main branch, which is named main. So okay, now you need to add an origin. So what I'm going to do is copy it from here. Okay. Next is git push -u origin main. Go to settings, then pages. Okay, so here you can see that it is saying that your GitHub Pages site is currently being built from the main branch. So there are two ways in which you can upload. One is you can upload either through your command prompt, or you can directly upload the files from your project folder. Okay, so here you can see that my site is live now, and if I click on this site, then it will open my portfolio and it is launched in here. So you can see the entire web app over here. So that is how you deploy your web application on GitHub Pages. And my next video, I will be covering how you can deploy your web app using Firebase. That's it for now. I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.